favorite day of the month. It's payday! And since you clicked on this video, maybe you're the same as me. Anyway, welcome to my channel. I'm Josephine and I'm gonna put my current numbers on the screen. I'm dreaming and hoping to become financially free one day by paying off debt, but also creating multiple income streams, and that is my focus right now. I'm currently on maternity leave with my first baby, but I do not have a job to return to after maternity leave, which is really scary. So consider subscribing if you like my content and like this video for engagements. That would help my channel out a lot. Now let's head into my budget and do my payday routine. So I get paid on the 20th, obviously, today. So this budget will go from the 20th of February until the 20th of March. But what I write under income is what I earned from the 1st of February until the 28th of February. So that means I've already put some values in some places because I have already earned some money and placed them. And I also hope to make a bit more money from now until the end of the month, so that I will put in later, and hopefully that will make me save a bit more than what I will be able to with today's budget. So my budget is in Norwegian and in Norwegian kroners, but I have translated the headlines or the titles for each part, so it's easier for you if you don't know Norwegian. And what I first do here is, of course, put in what I'm going to make. I'm going to be paid 28,900 from my job. I'm going to be paid 1,968 kroners from the government due to the fact that I have a child. I'm getting 800 extra from NAV, which is the Norwegian Labour and Welfare Administration. So yeah, I get paid from that due to the fact that I am on maternity leave. And then I have already made 1,200 kroners from affiliate marketing this month. So here are my expenses, and those are usually pretty much the same, but I have added 709 kroners under health because I have a chiropractor appointment. I do co-sleep with my baby and I don't think I relax as much, and I do sleep in positions that I normally wouldn't, so my body is hurting every 2 to 3 months. So I have gone to this chiropractor to just massage me up because my upper back gets really stiff, and also my neck. And then this month I have my yearly subscription of my website, so I need to pay that, and that is 1,057 kroners. I will also go in and double check if the numbers are right on my student loan payment, because that is sometimes going down and hopefully will go down more. But let's see what it's this month. Yeah, it has changed, so I need to put this in 822. It has gone down 4 kroners. That's a little win. Under savings, I usually just have this 400 mark, because that is something that's automatically drawn from my account when I get my pay. That is for my retirement account. And then also this number, 1,968, which is what I get from the government for my child, and I choose to invest that for my child. My affiliate marketing income comes from the app Kron, which is an investment app where I get 200 kroners every time someone uses my code and create an account. So I have already invested 1,000 for my daughter and 200 kroners in my own. And the reason for that is that the money I get through the Kron app, I need to invest them. I can't take them out. So I have invested already 1,000 for my daughter because I want or I need those 1,000 from the government money to use somewhere else, I believe, this month. And March is so expensive for me. There are a lot of birthdays and important birthdays, like people that are really close to me. And we are also going to the Canary Islands soon for 2 weeks, so I need to put up some money for that. And that I have under socials. We have a Welcome to the World party, which is like a baptism, but not like in some religion. It's more of an atheist thing. And then I have a friend of mine, or 2 friends of mine, who turn 30. And then I have a baby that I know that turns 2. And then I have another friend that turns 27. And then I have my trip to the Canary Islands. So those are my expenses under social this month, and I need to kind of set a budget for it and see if I have anything left so I can save a bit more, because I obviously need to invest more to reach my dream of financial freedom. That is why I'm working on multiple income streams and more income streams, because I don't get enough money in right now. That is also based on the fact that I have this and this amount of debt, and of course that is something I can work on as well. But I do think that I could be able to make a lot of more money. I'm just working my ass off right now. I have my baby that I take care of during the day, and she doesn't sleep that well during the day. She sleeps at most 30 minutes and maybe 2 or 3 times a day. I try to do a lot within those 30 minutes, but yeah. So it's now in the evenings that I try to hustle and get to earn more money. It's not the easiest right now, but I'm doing my best, and hopefully something will come out of the hard work I put in. So let me just fill in 400 kroners, which is my automatic retirement. And then I use my phone for the other transfers. And then I do like this, and I see that 16,365 is going into our mutual expense account. Let's do that. And then I just fill in here as soon as it is paid. 11,530 for our mortgage, 1,635 for our insurance, 900 for that's like water and stuff. Then it's 600 for internet, 1,500 in electricity, and 200 for streaming services. 3,500 into our food account, 822 on my student loan, 1,459 at my gym membership. That is crazy expensive right now, but that is my CrossFit membership of 1,090. And then I tried to quit, or I quit my gym membership, but I suddenly had like 3 months that I had to pay after I quit. So that's why that is a bit expensive right now. That is usually, or that is going down to 1,090. Then I pay 59 for my MasterCard upgrade, which means that I get a lot of bonus points for flights. And then I pay 39 in extra iCloud storage. I donate 300 each month, 150 to UNICEF and 150 to WWF. Then I have my Google Drive, which costs 139. I have my Shopify store, which is 400 a month. I haven't paid for my chiropractor appointment yet, so I'm going to leave that, and not the website yearly subscription thing either. I just got an email that says that the invoice is on its way, so I'm going to pay that when that shows up. And then I can see over here under left what is estimated to be left when I have paid everything that it says in the first column. After I paid this and this that I think I'm going to pay, and then this is the actual amount that I have left, because I haven't paid some of the things yet. So now it's over to the social part. I know that we are going to give this little new human 500 kroners, so it's 250 for me. Then it's one of my best friends that turns 30, and that is only from my budget, I think, so I'm going to give that a 500. And the next one I think we're going to split, so I'm going to put 250 there. The baby, I know that it's 2 years old. Is it a baby, or should I say child? When do they become children and not babies? I don't know. I'm going to say baby because I want my baby to be a baby at 2 years old. So, but I have no idea what I'm going to buy him because he has probably everything he needs. So I like to give money for an index fund. So maybe I'll just do that. It's not an anniversary or anything, so I think I'm going to go for 300. One of my other friends are turning 27. This is of course not based on how much I love them. It's just like we have a mutual budget, so I'm not going to be cheap and they give me a lot more. I think we're on the same wavelength here. So don't think I'm cheap. I love gift giving, but we do have like a mutual budget for things, so that is why. Oh, I almost forgot that we are going on a cabin trip this weekend, so I need to put in money for that as well. Of course, we are sharing the expenses with the couple we are going with, and also I'm sharing with Jürgen, but I will probably put 1,000 kroners. I almost forgot that I have a baby shower, so I need to put in a budget for gift for that as well. And then there's 2,451 kroners left, which is not a lot, but I think I need to put the 2,000 for my trip. I am going to have 451 just left on my account so that I can spend on like small things, because maybe I'm out and about and going to a cafe suddenly, or something like that comes up. I'm usually pretty scheduled, so I'm not like worried that I only have 451 kroners in my account, because I have like budgeted for every single thing that I'm going to. But I wanted to be some room to be a little spontaneous. I really love doing this just to have a full overview of my finances, but I also, like, when I look at what's left at the end of the day, I do get a little bit unmotivated, just because there's just not much left, and that's so depressing when I really, really, really want the financial freedom. But on the other hand, I'm very much like, you need to live life while you can, and that is why I'm called long bucket list, because I have a long bucket list that I want to complete, and I don't want to wait until retirement to complete that. So the Canary Islands, we're going to Gran Canary. I haven't been there before, so it will be a bucket list check off, which is great. So I just need to rewire my brain a bit and do think that I am actually checking something off this month. So that's why it's not much left and I don't get to save as much. And I think that this usually wouldn't scare me, but the fact that I don't have a job to return to, and I'm very, very much dependent on this income that I get, it's just so scary. It's a very scary place to be in. And it's crazy to me that I'm in this position and that I've put myself in this position, because I have a baby now, and it's not supposed to be this way now. This is not the time to not have stable income. This is not the time to live in this uncertainty, and it's making my hair gray, I think. I really need to get my shit together and do something about this pretty fast. But I have made a profile on Upwork, and I am in negotiations about a few jobs, and I know that I will get a UGC job and maybe another one. So I do think that there will be more money at the end of the month, so I'm not going to cry about it just yet. I'm not giving up. I'm still ambitious. I still have hope. I still believe in myself that I will be able to get myself out of this position. And even though I love watching these kinds of videos, because I get inspired by people that are so good with their money and earn a lot, and yeah, just are so great at paying off their debt and stuff. I hope that I can inspire you to not get in my position, not to get in a desperate position. I hope that this can be a reminder that not everyone on social media is so much ahead of you. I'm still in the trenches, working my ass off, and I'm not really in a great position right now. Maybe learn from my mistakes. I was not prepared to get in this situation. I did not expect to be in this position, but I didn't really feel like I had any other choice than to be in this position. And yeah, these are the moments that are really hard to face, but also give me a lot of motivation. And I'm going to continue to work hard, maybe a bit harder, and just do my best. And I believe that I can and I will reach my dreams one day. So if you would like to watch that journey, subscribe. I'm going to share it all here. This is my road to financial freedom. It's going to be bumpy, but I guess real. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.